In our last video, we looked at how to open an account with JVZoo. In this video, we will look at how to open an account with DigiResults. DigiResults has created a fresh approach to internet marketing, an approach that sullies vendors with more freedom than ever before, an approach that makes it simpler for affiliates to earn cash faster than ever before. Everybody gets paid directly into their PayPal account. Unlike a few instant commission products with rotating commissions, their commissions are real-time. You will need to have a verified PayPal account to get paid. Then go to http://www.digiresults.com. Click on the Sign Up button. Fill out all the info and hit the Sign Up button. They will then send you an email to confirm your account. So check your inbox and click the link to finish your sign up. If you can't find the email in your inbox, look in your spam folder or request a new confirmation email. Once you click on the link to confirm in the email, you will automatically be directed to a page to link your PayPal account. Take note of all the information on this page. After you click the Link My PayPal Account button, you will be sent to PayPal. It's easy to do. Log into PayPal. Click Agree and Continue. Your account is now linked. Now you are on your way to promoting offers. Next, we will look at how to set up an account at Warrior Plus.